Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a Sudoku variant, a hybrid Sudoku variant called Skyscraper Extra Region Sudoku. The setter of this Sudoku is Q Anze, and this Sudoku was constructed in 2012 and published with the book called Top Sudoku 2 book. Right. So Q Anze is one of the excellent authors and he has constructed very good puzzles in the past too. So if you see the design, it looks so attractive to see the design of the 9 shaded cells symmetric to each other, and even the givens that are symmetric, right? So according to the rules, we need to we need to place digits from 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and 3 into 3 box, right? In such a way that all the 9 shaded cells, there are exactly 9 shaded cells in the grid, and all the 9 shaded cells will have to contain 1 to 9 exactly once. So each digit must contain once, that is the shaded cell rule. And with that we have a few shaded cells outside the grid which acts as a skyscraper clue. Now what is a skyscraper clue? According to the skyscraper clue, according to the skyscraper rule, digit outside the grid indicates number of the digits that are visible in that direction, skyscrapers visible in that direction. Now what does that mean? So for example, let us assume that the digits inside the grid are nothing but the skyscraper of the given height. So height is nothing but the number, right? So if you have a 6, that means it is a skyscraper of height 6. If you have a 2, which means the skyscraper of height 2. And whatever number you have outside the grid will indicate that the number of skyscrapers seen from that direction. And usually the higher skyscrapers block the lower ones. So for example, the 2 will block this, the 6 will block the 2, because after the 6 you won't be able to see the 2. So any number behind the higher number will always be blocked. So the number outside the grid indicates number of the skyscraper visible from that direction. From that direction, right? So these are the rules. So with the rules, we'll start to solve this Sudoku. Right? I'll add the link in the description for the contest page where you can solve the Sudoku online. And this Sudoku was also posted on LMD, Logic Masters Germany website, right? So you can even check out the Sudoku there. So coming on to the Sudoku now, let us see if we can fill few digits with the classic rules, right? So if you see the 1 and 5, easy deduction, you can write 1 and 5 here, and the 6 will give you a 3 4 here, 3 4 6 here, and 4 6 here, right? Okay. 2 here and here will give you a 2 in one of these two cells, but you already have a 2 here which will give you a 2 here, and 2 in box 1 will have to be in one of these 3 cells. 2 in box 6 will have to, so box 8 will have to be in one of these 2 cells, right? And 8 in box 8 will have to be in one of these 2 cells again. Again the 7, if you see, will have to be in one of these 2 cells, right? And do we get anything else? There are very few digits, right? 16 digits I would say, exactly, yeah, 10 10 5 and 5, 16 digits exactly. And I don't think so these are placed in such a way that we will be able to get any other digits by the classic constraint. So we'll have to use the variant constraint, exactly. The skyscraper and the extra region constraint will be used to solve this Sudoku. And okay, let us see. Usually in an extra region Sudoku, you'll have to go for a particular number and see where can the number be in the shaded cells, right? You will have to go that way. So the best possible way in a extra region Sudoku is take a number, see which number can be taken easily, which number can be placed easily in a extra region constraint, and see which place those that number can appear, right? But in a skyscraper Sudoku, you will always have to look out for higher digits in the skyscraper clue. For example, 5 6 7 8 9, right? Those are the digits that will help us to progress in a skyscraper Sudoku. But this is a variant, right? This is a hybrid, both skyscraper and extra region. So let us see if we can place a higher value number in the extra region constraint, right? So let us first go with the 9. Can we place a 9 in the extra region constraint? But because why am I taking a 9? Because it is very easy to eliminate 9 from an extra from a skyscraper constraint. So why would I say that? So for example, if you see, you cannot place a 9 here, because whenever you have a 9 as an extra skyscraper clue, the numbers will have to be in increasing order 1 to 9 from that direction, because all the 9 buildings have to be seen. But as you see, 2 and 6, 2 is already hidden, second digit would have to be a 2, so this cannot be a 9, right? Same way, 1 is already hidden, the first digit would have to be 9, so this cannot be 9. Same way, 2 is already hidden, second digit would have to be 2, this cannot be 9. A 9 can be here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Excellent, it is possible. So let us mark a pencil mark of 9 here. A 9 is not possible here, neither here nor here, neither here, and here it is possible. Exactly, see. So it is so easy to eliminate a 9 from a skyscraper constraint, right? Usually in a skyscraper constraint, when you have such cases, go for the higher digits. Superb. So a 9 is eliminated from all the other cells, and you have a 9 in one of these two cells, right? Superb. So is that helping us anyway? I don't think so that is helping us anyway. So there will be something else that we need to see in this Sudoku. Let us see if the 8. Let us see the 8, if 8 will help us to get something, because 8 will also be not used in any of these 3 cells, right? Why? Because for the 8 to happen, the 2 is already hidden, means all the other digits will have to be in increasing order, right? So 1 3 4 5 6, and this has to be 7, but this cannot be a 7, right? Because you already have a 7 here, so you cannot have an 8 here. Okay, can you have an 8 here? You cannot have an 8 here, because there are 2 digits hidden. 8 will surely be hidden, because you will have some greater than 8, which is 9 somewhere in these cells. So 8 will be hidden, and 1 is for sure hidden. So you can only see 7 digit at a max in this row, right? So 8 cannot be here. Can 8 be here? No, 8 cannot be here as well, because 5 is already hidden. You'll have something greater than 5 in these cells, and 2 is already hidden. It is the 5th digit from that direction. So all the other digits will have to be in increasing order, and that can only have maximum 7 skyscraper visible buildings. So 8 is not possible here. 8 is not possible here, here. Great! What an incredible start of this Sudoku, guys. So 9 and 8 pair has been formed in an extra region Sudoku. What an excellent way to start the Sudoku, I would say. What a break-in. So I think so that should help us some way or the other, right? Okay, of course that will help us, guys. That will surely help us. What an incredible, amazing Sudoku. See the theme, the way the setter has made sure that you have to go with the 8-9 pair in the extra region Sudoku and use that as a skyscraper clue to continue the Sudoku. Superb. So you get a 9-8 pair here. So either this cell will have to be a 9 or it will have to be an 8, right? Whatever be the possibility, even if it is an 8 or 9, 8 has to be in one of these two cells, right? And if it is an 8 and 9, 7 has to be in one of these 3 cells only. You cannot have 7 before this cell, because the constraint will be contradicting, right? Which means that you already have a 7 and a 7 here. 7 can be eliminated from these two cells, and 7 has to be here, and which means 8 has to be here. What a great way to start this Sudoku. So again, I will just explain you. 8 will have to be in one of these two cells. 8 cannot be in these two cells, and you cannot have an 8 here. If you have an 8 here, the 9-8 skyscraper clue will be contradicting. It will violate. You will not have a skyscraper constraint easily. Same way, you cannot have 7 before the 5. So if you have a 7 before the 5, you can see 7, 8 and 9 and 3 more digits at the start, which means a maximum of 6 visible skyscrapers will be seen, right? Superb. Now where can 6 go in the cells, right? Can a 6 come here? If you have a 6 here, you have a 7, 8 and 9 here. You are already seeing 4 buildings. Plus you will see the 3 buildings at the start, which means you can only see maximum of 7 buildings. So 6 cannot be here. And 6 cannot be in any of these 3 cells because of the same reason, which means 6 has to be here. Okay, so first digit will have to be, first cell will either have to be 1 or 2. Second will have to be 1, 2 or 3. But 3 is eliminated, so 3 cannot be. So you have a 1, 2 pair. You cannot have a 4 because 4 will give you 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 buildings plus the first cell, 7 buildings only. And the other 2 digits will have to be 3, 4 pair, right? Great. Superb. What an excellent way to start the Sudoku. Excellent way. Okay. So we have found 3 digits on the skyscraper region, right? I mean to say extra region cells. 9, 8 pair and 6. So all the other digits have to be yet to be used. Let's see if we can continue the the logic of going with the decreasing number from 9 to the 1. We have already found the 9 and 8 on the extra region space using the skyscraper clue, and 6 is already, we have already found the 6 on this extra region clue. So let's go with the 7. Where can 7 be on the extra region cells, right? You cannot have a 7 here, of course. So let us see what are the possible digits here, right? Let us see what are the possible digits here. You cannot have a 1. So most important thing in a skyscraper clue is 1 and 2. 2 is one of the most important clue in a skyscraper Sudoku. So if you have a 1, the first cell will have to be a 9, because you can only see one building and that has to be 9. You cannot have anything before 9 because you will see 2 or more buildings. So which means that 1 is not possible here because you have a 9 here. So the possible digits are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also not possible. I would say 6 is not possible because you have the third digit as 7. You'll have 8 and 9 in one of these 2 cells, any cells, which means 3 cells will be seen and first 2 cells will be seen, which means a maximum of 5 cells you can see from that direction, which means you can only have 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I can directly eliminate 2 as the possibility also. You'll have to think a bit deeply with the skyscraper constraint. So you know that 9 and 8 cannot be here. You have a 7 here and somewhere you will have a 9 here. Let us assume you have a 9 before 8. So you have a 9 here, and there will be these 2 cells or in any one of these cells which will be seen as a skyscraper clue, because there will be something that is lesser than 7. So you will see a minimum of 3 buildings for sure, which means 2 is also eliminated. So you cannot have a 7 here now. As we already saw, we are seeing the 7s. You cannot have a 7 here, you cannot have a 7 here, here as well. So there are only 3 places for the 7. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 cells. Let us first see the skyscraper clues. Can you have a 7 here? So if you have a 7 here, you need to see all these cells as the skyscraper clue, the remaining cells, because these 2 cells will be hidden. So there are exactly 7 digits remaining, 2 to 9 excluding 1 and 8, and which has to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. And the first digit will have to be 2, which is not possible, right? So this cannot be a 7. Can this be a 7? Same logic. You need to have exactly 7 digits appearing increasing order, because these 2 digits are hidden, and which means this cell will either have to be 8 or 9. It has to be 8, which is not possible. It is a 3, 4 pair. So 7 is not possible here. 7 is not possible here, so the only place for 7 is this place. Excellent. What an excellent way to go about this Sudoku, guys. Excellent way. Oh, we missed a simple deduction here. 8 and 8 will get you an 8 here, right? Which means 8 and 8 will give you an 8 in one of these 2 cells. But you already have an 8 logged in one of these 2 cells as a extra region space. Which means 8 has to be here. You get a 9 here. And because of the 9, you get an 8 here. Oh, just a simple elimination. We missed a simple elimination of this cell not being an 8. We got an 8 here. That gives you an 8 here. That gives you a 9 here and an 8 here. Excellent. Now this 8 has 2 possibilities to go for the skyscraper clues. Either 1, 2, 4, 3 or 2, 1, 3, 4. Both the ways the 8 will be fulfilled. So we are not sure which way it will go, right? And now if you see, we can directly eliminate 5 as also not being the skyscraper clue. Because now we know that, right? So because now we know that 8 cannot be in any of these 2 cells, 8 cannot be here as well. So 8 is only in this cell for this column, and 8 is behind the 9 now, so which is hidden. So there are only 4 cells at a maximum that you can see in this column. First cell, second cell, the third cell is 7 and the fourth cell is 9. All the other digits are hidden. So which means the 5 is not possible here. Excellent, excellent. So we got a 3, 4 pair, guys. Oh, What an amazing Sudoku. What an amazing Sudoku. We got a 3-4 pair, which means these 3 digits will have to be 1, 2 and 5. Only digits remaining, and 2 and 5 is already here, which means this has to be 1. And this has to be 2 and 5 in any order. Excellent. Superb, guys. So let's see if we can use the skyscraper clue of 5 to eliminate one of the cells and use the other cell as the skyscraper clue. Let us see this one, because the 8 is very much near to the 5, and which means that all these 3 cells will have to be seen for the 5 to be fulfilled. If this cell is a 5, all the 3 cells will have to be fulfilled. The 4th cell will be 8 and the 5th cell will be 9, which means that 7 has to be here. If this cell is a 5 skyscraper clue, 7 has to be here, because 8 is here, 9 is here. 9 cannot be in any of these 3 cells. 9 have to be here, which means 7 has to be here, right? For all the 3 cells to be seen, 7 cannot be here, which means this 5 is not possible. This has to be 2 and this has to be 5, and this being the 5, 9 cannot be in these 4 cells. 9 has to be in one of these 2 cells, right? Great. And okay, and 6 also cannot be in these 2 cells, because 6 is already here. 6 cannot be here as well in these 2 cells also, because 6, 7 and 9, 8 is already done, and one more cell, that is 4 cells only will be seen if you have a maximum of 6 here, which means 6 can be eliminated from here and here as well, and 6 has to be in these 2 cells, right? Which means 7 and 9 are already seen, and 2 cannot be in these 3 cells, so 2 has to be here, which means these 3 cells will have to be in the increasing order for all the 5 cells to be seen. So 7 and 9 is seen, 2 and 1 are hidden, which means 3, 4, 5 are remaining, and which has to be in the increasing order. So for the 5, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9 in one of these 2 cells. Excellent, right? Okay, that is done now. So you cannot have a 9 here. Superb. What a minute logic everywhere, guys. What a minute logic. I am really enjoying solving this Sudoku. It's a really enjoyable one. So if you have a 9 here, you already have a 8 here, and you will see more than 2 cells, 2 buildings from the direction, which means you cannot have a 9 here. 9 has to be in one of these 3 cells, and we already know 9 has to be in one of these 2 cells, which means 9 is here and 6 is here, right? And which means because of this 6, now 6 in this column will go only in one place, which is this, and 7 in this column can only go to one place. Now if you see deeply, 7 cannot be here, excuse me. So if you have a 7 here, you will have a 3 and 4 here, which means you will see 3 buildings from that direction, which means 7 has to be here, and this has to be a 3, 4 pair, and because of the 4 here, you have a 3 here, a 4 here, a 3 here, and because of the 4, now 3 is hidden, which means these 2 cells will have to be in increasing order. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 buildings are seen. Great. Excellent Sudoku, guys. And because of the 7 and 7 here, you already have a 7 here. And these 3 cells will have to be 1, 6 and 9 in any order. So 9 is already here. You have a 1, 6, 1, 6 and 9, and 1, 6 and 9. Right? And so the 3 digits remaining are 1, 3 and 4. You already have a 1 here. You will have a 3 and 4 here. 1, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 4. Okay. And because of the 1, 5 pair here, you get a 1, 5 pair in these 2 cells. Right. So the 3 digits are 4, 3 and 8. Right. And because of the 8, you get an 8 here. And because of the 4, you get a 3 here, a 4 here. And because of the 3, you get a 4 here. And that gives you a 3 here. And because of the 4 and the 3 as the skyscraper clue, the digits will have to be 4 and 1, 3 and 1 in the increasing order from this direction, which means 3 digits will be seen now, 3, 7 and 9, right? Superb. And because of these 3 has to be in one of these 3 cells, these 2 cells, and 3 is already here, so 3 has to be here, which means a 7, 9 pair is remaining these 2 cells, and 2. So 4, 5 and 6 are remaining, and 4 is already here. We get a 4 in one of these 2 cells, A 5 is already here, we get a 5 in one of these two cells, and 6 is already here, we get a 6 in one of these two cells, right? So 1 and 5, the two digits are 7 and 9 in any order. And so 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 9, 4, 5, 6 are the remaining digits. 4 is already here, you get a 4 here. And because of the 6, you get a 5 and a 6 here. And because of the 6 and 4, you get a 3 here. And which gives you a 6 here. Right? And 2 can be eliminated as a pencil mark from here. We already have a 2 here. And the 4 digits remaining are 1, 2, 4 and 5. 5 and 2 cannot be here, so 2 and 5 will have to be here. Because of the 2 we get a 5 here, a 2 here, and 1 and 4, 1 and 4, and because of the 1 we eliminate 1 from this cell, 6 and 9, right? Because of the 8 we can eliminate a 8 here and get an 8 here, right? So 3, 5, 6 and 9, 5 is already here, 5 has to be here, 5, 3, 6 and 9. 3 is already here, 6 and 9 will have to be here, but because of 6 is here, you have to 9 here, a 6 here, a 1 here, a 9 here, a 5 here, a 1 here, a 4 here, a 6 here, a 2 here, and a 5 here, which gives you a 3 and a 6. And 6 has to be here, a 3 has to be here, and because of the 5 we have a 5 and a 1 here, and because of which we get a 1 here, 2, 4, 7 and 9, right? 4 is already cannot be here, 4, 2, 7 and 9. 9 is already here, 9, which gives you a 7 here, a 2 here, a 7 here, a 9, a 7 and a 9. This was an excellent Sudoku, friends. I really enjoyed solving this Sudoku. What a great theme, what a break-in, what a way to start the Sudoku, go about it, seeing the skyscraper and extra region together. Excellent Sudoku, one of the best constructions of this hybrid variant, I would say. 3, 6, 4, 7, 2, 1, 8, 9 and 1. Excellent, right? So exactly 9 digits are used in the skyscraper constraint, and the skyscraper clues are also fulfilled. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 7 and 9, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 7 and 9. So I hope you enjoyed this Sudoku. I really enjoyed solving this Sudoku, making a video of it. Thanks a lot to QAMZ for constructing this great Sudoku. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.